Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this and I am very thankful to you for your this kind and for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet kids frocks ideas. It's summer kids frocks and very beautiful and trending ideas. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most trending designs. So ever share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Must make these beautiful designs for your kids for more beautiful and outclass looks. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet item. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet kids frock ideas, crochet kid frocks. Here are the benefits. Number one, it's very comfortable, soft and gentle on the skin, perfect for sensitive young skins. Breathable, allows for airflow, keeping your child cool and comfortable. Easy care, machine washable and dry quickly, making maintenance a breeze. Durable, with proper care and crochet frock can last for years even with frequent wear. Unique, each crochet dress, each frock is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece for your children's. Customized, choose the yarn, color and design to fit your children's personality and style. Adorable, crochet frocks are incredibly cute and make a great photo shoots. Eco-friendly, a sustainable alternative to fast fashion, reducing waste and supporting slow fashion. Sport handmade craftsmanship. By choosing a crochet frock, you are supporting the artisan who create it. Special touch. A handmade crochet frock shows you care about your child's wardrobe and brand something unique and special for them. Overall, a crochet kids frocks offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, sustainability, making it a great choice for your children, for your kids, for your little ones' wardrobe. So, now I am share with you the some crochet benefits. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarns to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, and sweaters, dresses, kids' dresses, accessories, bags, wallets, mobile cases, etc. Home decoration in home decoration, blankets, pillow covers, coasters, and kids' toys, stuffed animals, dolls, granny square. Crochet has many benefits, including relaxation and stress relief, create expressions and self-expressions, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, colors and patterns, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet. We- Viewers, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many online resources and tutorials available to help you get started. So, thank you so much for watching this video and my all the previous videos. I am very happy to see this because my all the audience are very sportive and decent. So please support me like this forever. I am very happy and I am very thankful. If you want more types of articles and ideas, so watch my all the previous videos. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं व्यूवर्स, क्रॉचेट एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही अमेजिंग किस्म के आर्टिकल्स आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आए हैं हम लोग। और अगर आप लोग क्रॉचेट को पसंद करते हैं, क्रोशिया को पसंद करते हैं, तो आई होप कि आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल साबित होगी और आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएगी। आपके किड्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इसके बेनिफिट्स होते हैं। क्रॉचेट के ड्रेसेस बनाने से, क्रॉचेट के फ्रॉक्स बनाने से, क्रॉचेट के फ्रॉक्स जो होते हैं वो वेरी कंफर्टेबल होते हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं। कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, इसकी थीम्स बहुत प्यारी होती हैं। आप अपने बच्चों के अकॉर्डिंग इनको बना सकते हैं, जैसे आप लोगों को किड्स को सूटेबल लगते हैं उस टाइप का आप लोग कलर कॉम्बिनेशन पिक करके आप लोग अपने हिसाब से ड्रेसेस को कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं। और ये इजी टू वेयर होते हैं, ब्रीथेबल होते हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लुक देते हैं आपके किड्स को। So you will pick your favorite one and take a screenshot for reminder and must make these beautiful frocks for your kids. आई होप कि आप लोगों के किड्स को ये ड्रेसेस बहुत पसंद आएंगे और उनके पहने हुए भी बहुत खूबसूरत लगेंगे। बहुत एलिगेंट डिज़ाइंस में आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ। So if you want more type of crochet articles and crochet items, so um, comment me on the comment section. I am providing you all type of your choices dresses. Thank you so much viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trendy collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.